Namaste and happy World Yoga Day. Today we're going to be making a 3 mushroom masala. So it's a hodgepodge of all of the dishes that I love that are of South Asian origin. It's probably not something you'd find at an Indian restaurant, as it's something that I have done a lot of improvisations on. Improvisations like theater. I've added some ingredients that a lot of Indian people and Indian chefs might say doesn't belong in a masala, but that's okay. I mean, this is a hodgepodge. This is an inspired dish. I'm not in any way Indian. I just learned Indian cooking, and I want you to just enjoy yourselves and learn how to make a good dish. The ingredients are not super strict. You can mix and match, you can substitute if you want, but these are the basics. Enjoy! You might have noticed how I cooked the fresh spices separately and then set them aside, and then cooked the dry spices separately and then set it aside. This is a process called tempering. This is allowing the oil to draw the flavor and aroma out of your spices. This is very important in Indian cooking, and this is part of the reason why Indian cooking takes a little bit long. But if you're patient with your oil and these little bad boys, you're gonna be rewarded with great flavor. So hang in there and temper your spices.
John
that last vegetable I added? These babies. So I just chopped them finely and then added them to the dish. This is called the winged bean internationally. Scientific name Sophocarpus tetragonolobus. And it's abundant in South and Southeast Asia where it is humid and close to the equator. Most likely originated in New Guinea. The idea behind progressive salting, which means that you salt the dish in various stages of cooking, is so that the various ingredients that you put will absorb the salt at different times. So that's the reason why I don't just put salt and pepper at the end. That's an American thing. Indian cooking is totally different. Admittedly, this isn't the fastest dish you can cook. Definitely not the fastest Indian dish there is. But it's not supposed to be, and you're not supposed to cook this on like a Monday afternoon where you need to go back to work after like an hour. Save it for like a Saturday brunch with friends or like a dinner date where you want to impress somebody. So there you have it, our 3 mushroom masala. It's difficult to make Indian dishes look good because it's always this sort of mush, but that's not the point. The point of cooking something is to eat it and for it to taste good and be nourishing. It's not the easiest dish, but it's really good for you and it's really flavorful. And it's great. And if you like Indian food, give it a try. I'm sure you'll love it. Enjoy, and happy International Yoga Day. Hari Bol.